Hey everyone, it's Larry from wstrades.com. Got a viewer request to do technical analysis on ticker symbol AQST, Requestive Therapeutics. As you can see, they are on a huge rip off of earnings. Before I start this, I'm going to go over to the web, and viewer mentioned that they saw a price target of $24 for them. I couldn't find anything that stated that. I did find that it was last month they got a price target increase from $3 to $4 from one company, but I definitely didn't find anything on the 24. So if you're a viewer, if you did see something about that, leave it a comment and I'll check out the news. But anyways, Aquestive, kind of a cool company. They essentially have a patent on this film that's kind of like a breath mint strip. And you can hire them and they can put, whatever your drug is, say you make some sort of vitamin, you do vitamin D pills and you want it to be, someone can keep it in their pocket and just pop a strip in and boom, deliver it. They have the patent for it and they can actually make that for you. And they also have, I believe, a couple of their own drugs, which AQST, I believe, 109. This is for, like if you have an EpiPen, you have an allergic reaction, you got to shoot yourself with the EpiPen. It's the same thing, but it's in the strip form. And then they have another one. I believe this is a seizure drug. Yeah, this is a seizure drug. Same thing. It's in the strip form. Seems like that's what they do. And they've also got some clinical trials going on, but pretty cool stuff. But me, I am a trader. Really don't care about what products people make so much as in my trading account. I'm not investing in something. So investing wise, seems like a cool company. Haven't looked into their financials, so I'm not going to invest in them. But like I say, we're going to do some technical analysis on here from a trader standpoint. And like I said, you can see off of earnings, massive rip. So there's no data that tells me where this thing's going to stop on the daily time frame. So what I would do in this instance would go to a little farther out. We'll go to the week and see if we can see some sort of support and resistance levels. Yeah, they just, let's see if you see my crossbar right here. You can see if I bring it up to around this low. We'll zoom in. It's this low where it kind of started hovering around, stopped moving in a downward or a bearish fashion. It's about right here, and you can see that we just crossed above that. So I'm actually going to place a drawing. I'm going to do a price level right here. And actually I'll look up here and see what this low of this candle was. And that is 241. So I'm going to bring it up to 241. Click on that. And now you can see barely crossed above that level. So yeah, man, they were just kind of using this level for support, sold through that, and it just made it above. I wouldn't be pulling the trigger at this point because of this insane rip that they've been on. But that is a good sign that they did break above that level. Now, if they keep on busting higher, which again, I don't know, I didn't see that $24 price target, but I did see the 4. But you can see my price target tool right here, and it's saying that the next level is $3.10. So if they do continue this and can stay above the 241 level, then I think they'll definitely come up here and test the that 310. But yeah, that's just such a crazy rip in the past 2 weeks. And here's a little tip for everyone that uses Thinkorswim. If you don't want to do the math to see, well, what percentage gain has this been on X amount of candles, you can just go to whatever level it is, go to add a drawing, and just do a trend line, and you'll see this little data right here. Just bring it up to whatever point you want to go to, which would be the close, and you can see that's about a little over 100% gain in the past 2 weeks. So yeah, for me, I wouldn't be getting in on this. There is some elevated volume, but that just such a crazy rip. I'd like to see if this thing actually settles down and kind of chops sideways a little bit and finds a support somewhere before I'd be going along. That's my technical analysis. Pretty cool technology company, so take it what it is. And again, if you guys do know where the $24 price target came from, go and leave it in the comments, and I'll check it out.